Good morning friend. I am Shalik Kathane, working as a subject assistant at DIET Gondia. Today we will discuss on chapter number 5. The name of chapter is Substances in the Surroundings, Their States and Properties, and the topic is freezing point. Look at this chart. The freezing point of water. The water kept in a fridge or on ice becomes cooler and cooler, that is, its temperature falls. At a certain temperature, water does not get any cooler but start freezing and fall ice. The temperature at which this happens is called the freezing point of water. The freezing point of water is 0 degree Celsius or 32 degree Fahrenheit. Freezing point oblique melting point. What is freezing point? It is the temperature at which a liquid becomes a solid. Look at this chart. These are the molecules of liquid. After cool, the liquid get transferred into solid state, that is snow. Means rain after cooling converted into snow. The distance between two molecules is large, and in solid the distance between two molecules is very small. In solid the molecules are very nearer to each other, and in liquid the molecules are so far from each other as compared to solid. When ice gets heat, it starts melting or changing into the liquid state again. Ice melt at 0 degree Celsius. It means that the freezing point and melting point of water are one and the same. Each substance has a specific boiling point, which is also its condensation point. The freezing point or melting point of water is the temperature at which water changes phase from liquid to solid or vice versa, means solid to liquid. Freezing point or melting point. Look at this chart. This is the given in Fahrenheit and this is in Celsius. The freezing point of water is 0 degree Celsius, means 32 degree Fahrenheit. Boiling point of water is 100 degree Celsius, means 212 degree Fahrenheit. Boiling points and freezing points of some substances are given. Substances. The freezing point of candle is 60 degree Celsius and the boiling point of candle is 350 degree Celsius. Plastic. The freezing point of plastic is greater than 250 degree Celsius and the boiling point of plastic is given 954 degree Celsius. Iron. The freezing point of iron is 1535 degree Celsius and the boiling point of iron is 2862 degree Celsius. Means different substances have different freezing point and boiling point. Thank you friends for watching this video.